Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing good. So students, if you remember about the previous lectures the topics that we have covered in our previous lecture, that were the rule of Napoleon and then Napoleon and Egypt. If I talk about today's lecture, we are gonna start it from why did Napoleon go to Egypt? So if I talk about historians, they used to disagree about the reasons Napoleon went to Egypt, but here we are gonna discuss about some of the reasons. So I'm gonna starting it from the lecture points that British were great enemies. So the first question that arises here, that why were the British great enemies of Napoleon? So students, if you remember, we had a detailed discussion related to it, that British opposed Napoleon as he threatened their control and wealth, and he wanted to control Europe and disrupt British trade. अच्छा, जो reason थी behind to damage British trade in India, because he wanted to weaken Britain's economy. और उस वक्त पर जो वो trade करते थे, they used to trade valuable resources जिनमें आता है like cotton, spices and textiles, because they used to think that by controlling this trade it would strengthen France's economy. Okay, the another question that arises here कि ऐसी क्या reason थी that Napoleon wanted to conquer Egypt? The reasons are quite simple, because he used to think that this would enable France to disrupt British trade routes to India, and further he wanted to secure जो French access थी to the Asian markets वो उसको secure करना चाह रहा था. जो उसकी एक थॉट थी कि अगर वो कन्वर्ट करता है इजिप्ट को, देन राइट आफ्टर डेट क्या होगा. ही यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट ही कुड टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ द रूट्स टू इंडिया एंड द फार ईस्ट. और ये कब होगा? अगर वो इजिप्ट को कन्वर्ट करता है. Another thing he wanted to do, he wanted to snatch India from the British. अब ऐसी क्या रीज़न थी that he wanted to snatch India from the British with the help of Indian ruler Tipu Sultan? There was only main reasons जो क्या थी, that he wanted to secure France access to precious resources. उसके बाद he wanted to weaken British economic power, because right after that he used to think that it will establish French influence in India. एक स्टेटमेंट जो नेपोलियन की तरफ से थी, इट वॉज लाइक वी मस्ट गो टू द ओरिएंट द ईस्ट, ऑल ग्रेट ग्लोरी रिसाइड्स देयर. वट वॉज द रीज़न बिहाइंड टू गिव दिस स्टेटमेंट? बिकॉज ही यूज टू बिलीव दैट by conquering eastern territories, particularly India, it would bring France economic prosperity. Now if I talk about economic prosperity, इसमें थोड़ी different चीज़ें आती हैं, like higher incomes, then low unemployment, better education, healthcare, growth opportunities, innovation and investment. And then here he's talking about military glory, global dominance. Global dominance में जो चीज़ें आती हैं, like to expanding France territorial empire. Here the word territorial empire means कोई भी country या leader who tries to controls and governs many territories, lands or region beyond its border. और उसके बाद आता है controlling trade routes. Now, if I talk about French merchants, what they wanted to do, basically they wanted to establish their trading settlements in Egypt. जिनमें क्या चीज़ें आती हैं, like trade in Egyptian rice, coffee and cotton. Now the another thing that Napoleon wanted to do on that time, that he wanted to conquer the Ottoman Empire. Now what was the reason behind he wanted to conquer it? Because he used to think that by doing so it would help him to control trade routes. Like in a sense, it will connect Europe to Asia and India, and it will help him to weaken Britain alliances. Like it will help him to break relation between British and Ottoman, and then by doing so he further wanted to expand French power. So students, if I talk about another thing, there is one such personality in everyone's life who inspired them immensely. So if I talk about Napoleon, his hero was an ancient Greek empire builder, Alexander the Great. Basically, he was a person, he conquered Egypt and further he marched to the subcontinent, and that is where Napoleon wanted to do the same thing. So he had a great deep personal and interest in Egypt, so that was the reason behind he wanted to conquer Egypt. Okay, further if I talk about Napoleon, he used to fancy himself as a modern day pharaoh. What was the reason behind? Because he used to think that he wanted to be like a powerful Egyptian pharaoh, like he was having all the power and control. And further, what he wanted to do, he wanted to be remembered as a great powerful leader. Okay, students, along with this topic, we are having the question number 10 of this chapter that carry 4 marks. The question is, why did Napoleon go to Egypt? As this question carry 4 marks, so you have to attempt the answer according to it. Or right after that, you all have to open your book page number 33. On that page, have to see our source 2.17. Basically here Napoleon was giving instruction to his soldiers to respect local customs like to treat Muslims with dignity, and further he was asking them to interact with Egyptians, muftis and imams very respectfully. So firstly you all have to read this read this source very carefully, and then you have to solve the worksheet number 8 that is related to this source. So students, so basically I was talking about this worksheet number 8 from your chapter number 2. So firstly you have to read this topic very carefully, then read the questions very carefully, and then you have to mention the answers according to it. You can get the print of this worksheet. The next topic that I'm gonna start is about the French invasion. So basically if I talk about the French invasion, so starting May it was going very well for them. Then on July 1, 1798, they landed at Abu Qir Bay along with 400 ships and about 34,000 men. But where is Abu Qir Bay? It is located on the Mediterranean coast of Egypt. And what was the reason behind that they landed there? It was safe for ships, it was easy to defend, and it was close to Alexandria, and that was the reason behind they landed there. And on the next day, he captured the city Alexandria. Basically, जो Alexandria थी, it was founded by the Alexander the Great. What was the reason behind and why did he capture Alexandria? As he wanted to secure trade routes and he wanted to expand French influence, and then further he wanted to weaken British Empire, and that was the reason behind he captured Alexandria. राइट आफ्टर डैट जब नेपोलियन ने उसको कैप्चर कर लिया अलेक्जेंड्रिया को, एंड देन ही इशूड एन अरबिक प्रोक्लेमेशन. व्हाट वाज द रीज़न बिहाइंड? he wanted to let people know that he respected Islamic teaching and Ottoman Sultan. उसके बाद फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के बाद नेपोलियन ने अनाउंस किया कि जो इस्लाम को प्रेजेंट किया गया, रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, ये टोटली बेस्ड ऑन द आइडियल्स ऑफ इक्वलिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी. फ्रेटर्निटी मीन्स ब्रदरहुड. बेसिकली ही वांटेड टू लेट पीपल Egyptians know about the advantages of French rule, and right after that he introduced he set up some projects. Actually it was the project of irrigation, and then he built a windmill to green floor, और उसके बाद उतने कुछ हॉस्पिटल्स वगैरह को बिल्ड किया गया. उसके बाद रेड वाइट ब्लू फ्रेंच फ्लैग दे वर फ्लोन फ्रॉम मिनरेट्स. व्हाट वाज द रीज़न बिहाइंड? it was to show French control. That was the reason behind they flown flags from minarets. एंड राइट आफ्टर डैट नेपोलियन ने मार्च किया था कायरो में. बेसिकली जो कायरो है इट इज़ द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ इजिप्ट. एंड व्हाट वाज द रीज़न बिहाइंड टू कैप्चर कायरो? बिकॉज he wanted to weaken the Ottoman Empire to control the Nile River, and further he wanted to have access in African resources to block British trade. और उसके बाद कायरो में फ्रेंच ने डिफीट किया था ममलूक लीडर्स को एट द बैटल ऑफ पिरामिड्स. बेसिकली ये नेपोलियंस इट वाज द नेपोलियंस फ्रेंच आर्मी दे डिफीटेड द इजिप्शियन ममलूक फोर्सेस नियर द पिरामिड्स ऑफ गिज़ा. गिज़ा ये एक थर्ड लार्जेस्ट सिटी है इन इजिप्ट, एंड दिस सिटी इज़ लोकेटेड ऑन द वेस्ट बैंक ऑफ द नाइल रिवर. They killed many people, and along with that 5,000 Mamluk men they were wounded. And then right after that Napoleon captured Cairo. Okay, so new topic that I am gonna start, it is about the Battle of the Nile and after. So actually it was a battle to have control of Egypt, to disrupt Napoleon's plans and to block French expansion. अब जो ब्रिटिश थे दे वर कंसर्न अबाउट ओनली वन थिंग, इट वॉज अबाउट द नेपोलियंस इन्वेजन ऑफ इजिप्ट. बिकॉज दे वर सस्पेक्टिंग वन थिंग कि वंस ही हैड अ बेस देयर, उसके बाद ये ओवरलैंड करेगा इंडिया में. अब इसके बाद जो नेवल हीरो था एडमिरल होरेशियो नेल्सन, बेसिकली ही वॉज सेंट टू फाइट नेपोलियन. नेवल बेसिकली बिलोंगिंग टू द नेवी. अब it was a Nelson who met the French forces at the mouth of the Nile. अब ये जो बैटल हुई थी, basically this battle was called Battle of the Nile. It was between Nelson and the French army. So basically it was he, I mean Nelson, जिसने destroy किया था French fleet को, and after that French were stranded, like they were isolated. But if I talk about Napoleon's character, he was having kind of personality के something you can say who do not give up easily. He was having such kind of personality. He was not ready to face this defeat. अब उसके बाद क्या सिचुएशन हुई, लाइक 167 फ्रेंच स्कॉलर्स जिनमें केमिस्ट, बॉटनिस्ट, zoologist, आर्टिस्ट, सर्वेयर्स एंड along with economists, they all traveled to Egypt with Napoleon. What was the reason behind to travel with him? Firstly, they took with them printing presses with Arabic and Greek characters, because they wanted to set up a college in Cairo to spread enlightenment ideas. They wanted people to study about the Egyptian history and about their life. उसके बाद नेपोलियन ने क्या किया, ही ऑल्सो सेट अबाउट रिफॉर्मिंग इजिप्शियन गवर्नमेंट अल्लाह. उसकी रीज़न क्या थी? बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू गिव एवरीवन इक्वल राइट्स. जो इनलाइटनमेंट आइडियाज़ थे बेसिकली दे रीच इजिप्ट. अब नेपोलियन का जो एक बिलीफ था एज अ क्लूनी ऑफ रेवोल्यूशनरी फ्रांस, उससे क्या था दैट इट वुड बी रीबॉर्न, और जितनी भी उनकी एशियन पास्ट की वेल्थ एंड ग्लोरी है थ्रू इट, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इट दे विल गेट इट बैक. बट इट वॉज द इजिप्शियंस, they were unwilling about what? About the enlightened. They were not liking the French rule, they were disliking French rule, और जितने भी चेंजेस वगैरह उन पर फोर्स किए जा रहे थे उसको वो लाइक नहीं कर रहे थे. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ था, लाइक इन सितंबर 1798 में ओटोमन्स ने डिक्लेयर किया था वॉर ऑन फ्रांस, एंड देयर वाज अ रिवॉल्ट इन कायरो. रिवॉल्ट मीन्स व्हेन सम पीपल राइज अप अगेंस्ट एन अथॉरिटी, और इसमें सेवरल थाउजेंड इजिप्शियंस दे राइटेड, मीन्स दे टुक पार्ट इन अ वायलेंट पब्लिक डिस्टर्बेंस और समथिंग यू कैन से, दे स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग इन द स्ट्रीट्स. और उसके बाद इसमें 300 फ्रेंच मैन दे वर किल्ड. इन रिस्पॉन्स नेपोलियन ने क्या किया, नेपोलियन ने जितने भी कैनन्स वगैरह थे इट वाज बम्बार्डेड, और ये कहाँ पर हुआ था? अल अज़हर मस्जिद में. उसके बाद जितने भी फ्रेंच थे दे लूज़ होप अबाउट वर्ड अबाउट अ पीसफुल इजिप्शियन रेवोल्यूशन. और उसके बाद एक प्लेग ब्रोक आउट हुआ था जिसमें बहुत से फ्रेंच सोल्जर्स की डेथ हो गई थी. अपनी ट्रूप्स को इनकरेज करने के लिए नेपोलियन ने ही पर्सनली विजिटेड द सिक एंड डाइंग. एट द सेम टाइम इवन व्हेन देयर डॉक्टर्स, ही डेयर देम नॉट टू गो नियर देम, कि उसको भी ये डिजीज़ ना हो जाए. So student, these are the topics from today's lecture. So what you all have to do, firstly you have to read this topic very carefully. You can take help from the lecture point, and right after that you have to open your book page 33, 34 and 35. You will find out these topics in these pages. You have to read these topics, and then you have to complete your question number 10 that carry 4 marks. It was related to the topic why did Napoleon go to the Egypt. And right after that I have given you to complete the worksheet number 8. You all have to read the paragraph on that worksheet very carefully, and then you have to answer the questions according to it. And right after that there are the 2 topics you are having. After it, the French invasion, the Battle of the Nile, and after you have to read these topics as well. I hope that you all are having a good day. Allah Hafiz.